Stop saying my English is weak. This one sentence is stopping your progress. Hi, this is Mohammed Ismail and welcome to back my YouTube channel. And in this video, you will learn many things. Actually, you saw thumbnail and the thumbnail was my English is weak. So in this video, I will explain many things about this line. My English is weak. I see many people like they say always my English is weak. So you have to understand first of all, if I talk about problem, negative words create a negative mindset. And tell me one thing, it is possible you have negative mindset and you can hope good things? It's not possible. If you have negative mindset, definitely you will attract negative things. So many people say like this, my English is weak. So stop, please stop this line. Okay, so I want to tell one thing. Before some time I told you negative words create a negative mindset, and if you say this line my English is weak, so you become afraid to speak English, definitely. And if you feel afraid, so definitely you will no, you will never ever become confident person. So stop this line. And actually you have to understand one thing, fear stops your progress. When you fear, you don't try again. For example, suppose I'm giving example, you want to learn swim and you feel fear from the water, so it's possible can you become good swimmer? It's not possible. So first of all you have to become confident persons. And if I talk about mindset, we have two mindset, subconscious mindset and conscious mindset. And if I talk about subconscious mindset, it's very powerful mindset. And what is advantage of the mindset, the subconscious mindset, and of what is the disadvantage of the subconscious mindset? Suppose if you say one line again and again, for example you are saying my English is weak, my English is weak, my English is weak, so your mindset will observe this thing, and definitely this thing will be your mindset. Means your mindset will understand you are giving order to it, and definitely as per your order it will work like that. So you have to understand negative words create a negative mindset. You have to be positive always. And if you say this line again and again, my English is weak, you become afraid to speak English. And when you feel afraid, so you will never ever become confident persons. So you should avoid this thing, my English is weak. And you have to understand one thing more, that is fear stops your progress. And you should understand English is a language, not a talent. And if I talk about your childhood, you remember maybe when you were in your childhood you learn your mother tongue. So can you tell me how did you learn your mother tongue? Maybe you learn your mother tongue by listening your parents, by listening people they live around you. So same it is English also language. And if you want to learn English language, so first of all you should one thing, don't be negative, be always positive. Focus on the listening, focus on the hard work, focus on the processing, because results is not in your hand. If you are consistent, if you are doing hard work, definitely your English will be good. And we see many people, they speak fluent English. So sometimes we feel they speak very good English, how we can become fluent English language? So you can understand everyone in starting was beginner, after doing hard work they become fluent. And if they can become fluent, so definitely you can also become fluent in English language if you are doing hard work. And practice is the key to improvement. If you are doing practice and you are consistent in the practice, definitely your English will be good and you can become fluent in English language. It's my guarantee. Condition is you have to become consistent. What is the solution, how we can become fluent in English language and how we can speak good English language? Solution is, first of all, replace negative words with positive words. Before some time I told you, some people say my English is weak. Instead of saying my English is weak, you can say I'm learning English language, I'm improving my English language, and I can speak English language. English is easy. Definitely I can learn if I be consistent. What you have to do for your learning, if I talk about action, so you should set target, means you should speak minimum 10 to 15 minutes every day in every condition. You can speak with your friend, you can speak with your parents, and you can speak in front of mirror, but you have to speak minimum 10 to 15 minutes if you want to become fluent in English language and if you want to speak confidently. Second thing, learn new words and use them in your sentence. Conclusion of my topic, believe in yourself, stay consistent. One day you will speak English confidently. And last thing, if you are learning English language, you can subscribe to my channel so that we can learn together. Thank you so much.